Hello, it's Sarah from Cult Pens here, and I'm going to be talking through some of the newness that has been arriving at Cult Pens HQ recently. We're going to be covering the first few months of this year, starting off with January, of course. New year, new you, new products, new brands. Lots of exciting things happened in January. Jumble & Co, Toyo Steel, Stifflex and Rosa watercolours were just a few of the new brands that came in January. So let's dive in. First off, let's start with Jumble & Co. Jumble & Co have a range of affordable stationery that's inspired by human sentiments. A reduction in colour choice reduces the anxiety as too many can be overwhelming. We are showing you the ballpoint pen assorted set and a Moodler B6 ruled notebook in clean slate black. Toyo Steel has created 3 toolboxes, ideal stationery storage for a desk, with lots of space, and they look good too. Next to launch was Stifflex and Rosa watercolours. Stifflex is an FSC certified paper company that makes sketchbooks in Italy for sketching, drawing, painting, including watercolours, just like Rosa. Rosa is a Ukrainian manufactured fine art materials company with choices of either empty tins and paint pans, so you can make the watercolour palette that you need, or sets like this, which is the 12 monopigmented set. There's ample of choice when it comes to watercolour and paper with Rosa and Stifflex. Octopus Inks or Octopus Fluids joined our gang in January. They make a range of beautiful inks from your standard colours to vibrant neons too. We love them. As if Cult Pens didn't have enough notebooks, along came Endless. Simple A5 notebooks with a special edition, Tomo River paper. Famed as high quality paper perfect for fountain pen, these notebooks may be simple, but they have some of the best paper inside. Talking about fountain pens, Lamy released 2 new All-Stars, the Petrol and the Lilac, colours we've seen before but not in the All-Star range, a premium metal barreled version of the well-loved Safaris. At Cult Pens we love exclusives, so we also released the next batch of our colours in the Wonders of the World series. Now the series is complete with all 7 colours. That was a bumper January, full of newness. Now we're on to February, which is a little bit of a quieter month, and that's because in February we launched the brand new Cult Pens website. We tried our best to keep it as familiar as possible for you guys so that the website didn't look like it changed too much. It's had a massive impact for all of us working at Cult Pens, and it was a much needed refresh. We hope you love it as much as we do. Because of all the new website, it was a massive change for us, and it took about at least 2 weeks for us to get fully settled in. It meant that newness got put on hold a little bit. So February is a little bit light, but we did still launch a lot of new things. First up, the new Pelican Idolstein was announced. Rose Quartz, a new gemstone to add to the collection. TWSBI surprised us and released the Eco Tea Saffron, a gorgeous orange colour with large clear ink barrel, which is iconic for TWSBI, and we love it. Everyone was really excited at HQ when the Suck UK Skull desk tidies arrived. Love them or hate them, it's a unique desk tidy that is pretty much the size of a small skull, would you believe? So there's plenty of storage for all things stationery. Not just the skulls, we also got a few other great products from Suck UK, including this Sharpener desk tidy. It's a great brand for gift ideas, or why not just treat your own desk? A firm favourite at Cult Pens is Keiko, an inexpensive, good quality pen brand, so we decided to expand the range. Here we included the Brio fountain pen set in orange and the square fountain pen in gold, both affordable pens from Keiko. And that was it. Compared to January, February was a lot quieter in terms of newness, but as I said, we launched a brand new website, which was a big task, and we do love it so very much. Bus. Now let's dive into March. March saw us settle into the new website, and so we could start launching a few new products and brands, and the first brand we launched this month was Crayola. Now, Crayola is a well-known brand. I'm sure you've heard of it before, but we were excited to finally bring it to Cult Pens. A family-friendly brand with crayons at its heart, and children-friendly pens, paints and more. Of course we had to show you a pack of crayons, but also this is a set of washable paints, perfect for small hands to get crafting. Next this month, Lamy finally announced and launched their new Safari colours. Spring Green, Aqua Sky and Light Rose. Perfect spring pastel colours that came in fountain pens, seen here, or as rollerballs or ballpoints. One of the best value ranges of pens available. Alongside Lamy, TWSBI also released a new fountain pen. This time it was the Eco, and this time in Persian green. A new colour added to their eco range. Last but certainly not least, Esterbrook released this cutie, the Esterbrook Frog Book Holder. With a few book holders in the range, this little tropical tree frog will hold pages perfectly as you journal or read. Not only practical but also super cute too. Look at him. Maybe we should give him a name. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed seeing all these brand new things that have arrived at Cult Pens HQ so far in 2023. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments down below. We'd love to answer them for you. As always, and we said this before in previous videos, if there are any brands that you know of that we're not currently stocking, please do let us know in the comments. There were a few comments left on videos before, and we have started looking into those brands now. It will take us a little while to get them, so do give us time, but obviously we will take your recommendations because we love hearing from our customers. As always, if you'd like to see more from us, please do subscribe, leave us a like, leave us a comment, as I said. We'll see you very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!